Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset location and privacy settings on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to reset your location and privacy settings to default on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, locate and click on general. Scroll down general until you get to transfer or reset iPhone and then click on it. Now locate and click on reset. Under reset, locate and click on reset location and privacy. The spot that says you need to enter your iPhone passcode. Go ahead and type in the passcode. Then choose spot that says this reset your location and privacy settings to factory default. Now click on reset settings and then you are good. So that's exactly how to reset location and privacy settings on iPhone. If you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.